All right, hey guys, this is Jason here. I wanted to talk about the second part of how I set these menus up to be able to have the actual post of the page, a post show up here in the menu. This sounds pretty easy to do, but is not standard for WordPress. And so I had to do some special things to make it work. So if I wanted to post to show up just like this, I had to use two custom plugins to be able to do this. So it's not standard. And let me show you what it looks like. If I just wanted to do a menu, and let me go down here to menus, and I'm going to leave what I was doing here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like if I'm just going to do a post. Okay, if I want to do category, okay, and that's the category at the bottom here. Um, Yes, category right there. It shows category right there. So I'm going to save that and I'm going to go back up here and return. So this makes sense to me. If I was going to be able to go to category, I should be able to see all the posts. Well, I know I could go in there and do some HTML coding and make it look right, but that's the way that categories do show up, as they show up like this. And I didn't like that. That looks ugly. And so I didn't want to do that. I wanted to have my sidebar widget here on the right hand side with the post related. So just like I'm doing right here. So this is only the post related to Amazon, and I still have my sidebar widget on the right hand side. So that makes it easy for me. So what I did is, let me go in here and remove this real quick so I don't forget, and remove, and I'm going to save that. So what I had to do is a couple of things. I'm going to talk about this plugin called Content Viewer, and I had to use Profit Builder. Profit Builder is a page editor. It's a drag and drop page editor. It's really, really powerful, really nice. So here's what I did. I have to first go in and, well, I got to think about what my strategy is going to be first, how I'm going to lay out what I want what these pull downs to say and what they mean. I'm going to refresh, get rid of that, so that we know what we want to show our customers, because we want to make sure we have our menus designed so it makes it very useful for customers to find our content on our page. So what I did is I sat back and I thought about it, and then I had to go and create categories, and I had to create categories like news, and then if you scroll down here, you see tools. And how you create a category is just type the name in, the slug is automatically put in. And then if it's the main line like this, the main category, you leave it blank and hit add new, and that will show up. Now, if I want to add the Amazon news, which is a little dash there, you put the name of that Amazon news right there. The slug automatically is filled out, and then you pick news, and then you fill the description in, and you hit add category, and that will show up right there. So I'm not going to do that because it's already got this set up, but you can see what I mean by that doing that. Now, you're going to want to put as much description as you can in here. I didn't do a lot, but SEO is telling me that I need to do better. And then here you can see how many posts are related to that category, which is only 2 posts. Okay, so that's what I first did. And the second thing I did, I had to create the pages, because those are all pages, not posts. What I did is I created a page just like I did that. So I named it Amazon News. So I created news, Amazon Marketing. And if you notice, there's a trend. Amazon News, all of that. They're all named the same. So you've got the posts, categories, and the page itself, not the post, but the page itself is also named the same. Then I had to use this plugin called Content Viewer. And if you notice, marketing news, or let me find Amazon news right here. So what I did is I had to just go up here, add new. When you add new, it'll create this page here. Now I'm not going to create a new one. I'm going to go and edit the one that I have here called Amazon News right here. So I'm going to edit this one. It creates a short code for you. And you don't see the short code until you create the whole thing. But the reason why I had to show you those other 2 pieces first, because it falls in line here. I named this Amazon News, so I know exactly what I'm doing and everything matches up. It's a post, not a page, so I want to make sure I have all the posts. And then I had to click on here, which will open this box up below. And then I click category, not tag. And then I put Amazon News. And if you type it in, it comes up automatically because it looks for the categories of the posts, and it finds Amazon News and it puts it in there. So it makes it really easy for me to say, okay, category, and then the post, and it's here, Amazon News. Now I have the short code. Now I also went back into here and I select per item per row. I just put 1, and I left everything the same in here. The only thing I did here is change it to full size, meaning the thumbnail itself will fit the window, the full size of the window. And then all you got to do is hit save, and then you can preview it, and it will show you the preview right up here of what it will look like. So what I did is I copied this short code right here. Then I have to go back into the pages, and I'm going to leave this because it's already got it. I've already got that copied. And now I have to go to the page, not the post. I'm on posts, pages, and then if you scroll down, you'll see there's news and there is Amazon News. Then I have to edit this and create a new page. And what I did is I made the parent news. Okay, so that's why it shows that way. And then I have Profit Builder. I got another video on Profit Builder, so you can watch that later. And so inside of Profit Builder, what I did is I have a way to be able to put this short code. And there's the short code. Okay, this is a text document and it shows the short code, which actually shows all the posts. And then on the second part of this widget here is I added the sidebar widget, and I selected the content sidebar widget, which is right here. Okay, and that's the content sidebar widget in there. And then all I do is save it. Okay, and now all I have to do is go back and I'll close down Profit Builder, go back to WordPress. Okay, now I'm in WordPress again, and now I need to go into my menus and go into menu. And now all I have to do is take the page, and I need to find the page called Amazon News and add it. Okay, and then I added Amazon News. Now I already have Amazon News right here. Whoops, it's right here. And I created this link, and I already showed you how to create and how to make things up and down on here. Okay. I'm going to get rid of this one here, delete this one, so I don't need that one. But you can see there's the Amazon News now, okay? And that's all I did is I added it to my menu right here, and then I saved the menu. And now you go back up here, refresh, and you'll see that I have Amazon News right here. And this looks exactly the way I like it. You see, it shows me all of the news posts that I put out there, not pages, but the posts. So, because it's a little confusing. And then I love this because now I have my sidebar widget too, and it has the current content in it. So, if you have any questions, make sure you click on here, type in your question, let me know how I can help you set up your menus. If you let me know, make sure you like my video and make sure you go to JasonGerald.club and you can see more information about how I got this set up. Hopefully this helps and have a great day. Bye-bye.